Simeon to Callaway. Marquez has had a really nice stretch these last few games. Now 6 touchdowns this year. Maher will kick away.
You want to wake up, Pop? We got you on cams. He was asleep for this third time. Pop up.
During the return, personal foul, legal double team block on the receiving team, number 84 and 89. Half the distance to the goal. First down.
Ward and Stoll on the penalty.
Watching this.
Celebrate Christmas with a classic move. Fox Sports proudly presents a documentary tribute to one of football's most beloved figures. Broadcaster, the video game, all Madden.
He's not going to sleep.
On Fox.
Can you see that? When you get that.
Such a huge John Madden fan, obviously. We all were as players. When he showed up to your practice, you knew it was a big camp. You got excited. Some John Madden. Yeah,
Absolutely. I got the sense that there was a little bit more to your
Oh God! Oh God! God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! I'll see you guys next video. Peace. Dislike. Bye-bye.
Let me see.
Bye, guys. Bye. Bye, Felicia. Bye, Felicius. Bye. Bye. Bye.